Hey YouTube, Zach Guy here. Kind of got a special knife today to show you. At least it's special to me. Now, I used to be in the Air Force. I've mentioned that a few times. I was in for 20 years. Got issued a couple of these while I was in. But one of the interesting things on these knives is that I don't know when they started, but they're dated. I think the earliest I've seen is around 1960. But it's a GI stainless steel pocket knife, or sometimes referred to as a demo or a camo knife, mostly in the Army. In the Air Force, it's just a stainless steel pocket knife. But I was at a gun show, saw this in a box with other knives, and on the box it said each knife $25. And I'm thinking, yeah, okay. Kind of fished through there looking to see if there's any Swiss Army knives. None that I wanted. Picked this one up just out of curiosity, see when it was made, because they are dated. And looked at the tag stamp and saw 1993. I'm like, ooh, let me see if everything works on it. So it's got good walk and talk on the main blade and the awl, the can opener, and then screwdriver. I'm gonna get this. My wife's like, what's so special about that knife? You've got several of these at home already. And I said, it's dated 1993. She goes, yeah, that's at the year I retired from the Air Force. So, enough said, I got it. Thought I'd show it to you guys. I've got another video that I did about these pocket knives. Has more information about them. I'll put the description, put the link to it down in the description below. And if you have any questions or comments about this one, please leave them below. And remember, always be prepared.